All right, here we go. Question number 20 from our 0314 homework number 2 in MyLab Math. They want us to write an equation of the line containing the given point and parallel to the given line. So what I want you to notice over here is that I have written the symbol for parallel. These two slashes, that means parallel. And I guess what you need to know about parallel lines is they have the same slope. So what I want to do here is I want to take this line that they've given me and I want to get y by itself so that I can get the slope. Once I have the slope, then I'll have a point and the slope, and I can use point slope form. All right, so here we go. First step, we're going to bring the 9x over. So that's going to give us negative 8y equals, the 9x becomes negative 9x on the other side, plus 3. And then what we want to do is we want to go through and divide everybody by negative 8 in order to get the y by itself. So we're going to have y equals, here a negative over a negative makes a plus 9/8 x, and a positive over a negative makes a negative 3/8, which I could care less about the negative 3/8. What I'm really interested in is the slope, okay? So here is the slope of the given line. Now I need to find the slope of my line, okay? So remember I said parallel lines have the same slope. So if this line has a slope of 9/8, then my line also has to have a slope of 9/8, okay? So now look what I've got. I now have a point and the slope. I can use point slope form. And so what is point slope form? That is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And so what I want to do is I want to label my point first and then plug and play. So the 7, that is my x1. The negative 9 is my y1. And I've got my slope. And so now we're going to plug in for m, x1, and y1. Here we go. Y minus, again, what is y1? It's negative 9. So that's going to be minus a negative 9 equals m, which is 9/8 x minus 7. All right, so looking over here at MyLab Math, I noticed that they want the answer in slope-intercept form. I need to get the y by itself. So two negatives here make a plus. That's going to be y plus 9 equals 9/8 x minus 7. I now need to use the distributive property and bring the 9 over in order to get the y by itself. So y equals 9/8 times x. That's going to be 9/8 x. What about 9/8 times negative 7? 7 times 9, 63/8. And remember the plus 9 needs to come over. That'll make a minus 9. And so my final answer is y equals 9/8 x. And then I need to do this math to combine like terms. Thank God for the calculator. That's going to be negative 63/8 minus 9. And the calculator does a fantastic job of getting a common denominator and doing the combined like terms for you. And I forgot what that was. Negative 135/8. And we're done. All right, so let's plug that in and see if I lied to you. 9/8 x minus 135/8. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.